Tired of the same old boring home decor? Do you dream of a living space that reflects your unique style without emptying your wallet? Then you need to know about Vibvie.com. Introducing Vibvie, original style, affordable prices. Vibvie.com is your destination for original, vibrant, classy, and elegant home decor. We're talking rugs that are conversation starters, accent pieces that add personality, and everything you need to create a space you'll absolutely love. Our rug collection is unlike anything you've seen. From bold geometric patterns to subtle, sophisticated designs, we have the perfect rug to anchor any room. And because we believe everyone deserves beautiful style, we offer incredible quality at prices that won't break the bank. Trending themes, home decor, and DIY inspiration. We're all about embracing the latest trends in home decor. Whether you're obsessed with creating a cozy, bohemian vibe or prefer a sleek, minimalist aesthetic, Vibvie has something for you. Don't wait any longer to create the home of your dreams. Visit Vibvie.com today and discover the perfect pieces to express your unique style. Remember to use code WELCOME2025 or WELCOME15 for 15% off your first order. Vibvie.com, original style, affordable prices. Join the Vibvie community. Follow us on social media for daily inspiration, styling tips, and exclusive offers. Tag us in your photos using #VibvieHome and show us how you're styling your space.